I invited them. I invited them to bring their happy asses down here and explain to us why the hell they're doing this shit. I invited Sarah Ransom to come down here and explain to us why the hell she needs to have 9 fucking names. Yeah, and why the hell she's using an alias name as one of her 9. Sarah Dillard. That was the first name. That was the name that all of those 9 names took me to. And in the next workshop that I want to have, I want to one of the things I want to show you guys is how to do that search on People Finder and do the check down and connect these names and connect emails and phone numbers, and you start doing a copy and paste, and all of a sudden, oh, there's a pattern. Look at all of these, and why do they have so many aliases? Why the hell do you need to be a judge with 9 different fucking names? I don't know. I emailed her and invited her to come and explain that to me, because I wanted to know. I knew Dr. Honigman wanted to know too, and so did Lisa, who is in. I didn't know what to tell you, Eddie. It's on there. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I'm about to close this up and go get me something to eat, and then I need to check with my friend and see how things are going over there, and then have another friend. Oh, I'm really happy about this, because them people was on some total bullshit over there. And so now we got a case number to add some more shit. I'm gonna learn how to do a foreclosure situation, so we can foreclose on the. And so I'm going to let me know. So if you foreclose on, if you seize their shit and you foreclose on them, and then I don't know how long and you seize their assets too, which would be all those deeds. Could you do whatever you want with them? Could you give them back to people? That's what I do, but it wouldn't be free. I would not give them back to y'all happy asses for free. So y'all gonna have to leave me a couple of review videos. five review videos to get your deed back. Okay, 3. Damn. Okay, 2.5. Lily's looking at me funny over there. When I raise my voice, you're looking at me funny. I'm like, dude, you're not chewing on. Okay, so we've been working with the chewing thing and stuff, and so my best friend let me know that if my dog chews on any women's shoes, then there's going to be a hit put out for my dog. So my best friend just let me know that, so I could be aware. And so I was just wondering if the hit was going to include me. I think so, but she didn't want to tell me or whatever. So I'm working with Lily to let her know if I need her to chew on anybody's shoes. Right now, it's a no. I think I'm about to get in trouble right now. I've been forewarned, and so I let her know too. So we got a place for women's shoes. If any women come to the ring here, we have a place for the shoes. So we don't, I didn't have to throw my dog to the wolves, under the bus or anything, because I know the hit shit sounds pretty serious. No, that's not actually what she said. She said the dog would die, and so I'm thinking I have to be dead first before they kill the dog. So sounds like a hit to me. I'm just saying. Does anybody have any more questions? And does everybody here have the package they need to get this done? And YouTube doesn't support content in private videos. Huh? It's not a private video. I was trying to share a link with you guys, but it wouldn't let me put it in there. Okay, this is going to be easier if I just, you guys that are at the stream tonight, send me an email. And I got a package I want to hook you guys up with. It's not letting me put it in the link. I think it might be, my thing might be too long. It's telling me it doesn't support private video. So give me a break. It's not a private video. It's a link to. So you guys send me an email if you're here tonight.